Welcome back to Miss Share's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken feet recipe. So we'll start by cutting or slicing our red and yellow pepper, our tomato and onion. Very simple. Slice it in cubes if you like, or whatever shape you are comfortable with. The goal is to just reach the part where we mix it up with our chicken foot. I'd never tried it this way before, but it's one of my favorite. It's a very delicious. We'll start by frying our onions, and then frying our tomato. We put the tomato right in. And then after making sure our tomatoes all cooked, tomatoes are a bit tricky. Sometimes you do cook and you realize they are not well cooked. So make sure your tomato gets in there. So I know I don't remove the nails. I'm very bad at removing nails or peeling. Even when I peeled, everything was a mess. Anyways, I ended up adding my peppers, and then I added paprika, then our chicken cube and our 7 colors. These are the spices I used, but I also added a bit of salt. Then we pour our water and we allow it to boil. Mix it together, and then you allow it to boil. And then for thickener, I used my Norok soup so that we have the thickness in the soup, because it wasn't getting thick on its own, so I added a thickener. And this was it, guys. It was very much delicious. Try it and let me know what you think.